Have you ever wondered how data science impacts our daily lives, from the recommendations we get on our streaming services to the way businesses make strategic decisions? Data science is everywhere, shaping our world in ways we might not even realize. It's a field that's not just reserved for tech wizards in Silicon Valley. Universities are now offering undergraduate and postgraduate courses in data science, preparing a new generation of data scientists to lead the way. Now let's delve into the key components of data science education, beginning with the basics. Every data science journey begins with understanding the fundamentals. At the heart of data science lies probability and statistics. This field helps us make sense of the numbers, allowing us to draw meaningful insights from raw, unstructured data. Mathematical methods, on the other hand, aid in creating algorithms and models to interpret and predict data patterns. Then we have IT literacy and core skills. It's not all about crunching numbers. We need to navigate various software, databases, and coding languages. It's about understanding how to manage and manipulate data effectively. Finally, linear algebra plays a crucial role. It provides the backbone for many machine learning algorithms, facilitating the handling of multidimensional data. These subjects are the building blocks of data science. They lay the groundwork for everything that comes after, from computational modeling to machine learning and beyond. With these foundational subjects under our belt, we can start exploring the more practical aspects of data science. Once the theory is in place, it's time to get our hands dirty in the data. Picture this. You've just spent months learning the ins and outs of probability, statistics, and linear algebra. Now you're ready to apply that knowledge in a practical setting. That's where the data science laboratory comes in, providing a hands-on environment where you can experiment and learn. You'll be tasked with creating computational models, vital tools that help us understand and interpret complex data structures. You'll also learn the principles of data presentation, mastering the art of visualizing data in a way that's both engaging and informative. In the realm of programming, you'll learn to write code that can sift through vast amounts of data, making sense of the chaos. As the world of data evolves, so too does our understanding of it. Information theory, big data, and high-performance computing, and even blockchains and cryptocurrencies are all playing a part in reshaping the data landscape. Now that we have a handle on the practical aspects of data science, it's time to delve into some advanced topics. As we move into more complex territories, our understanding of data science deepens. We delve into the fascinating realm of statistical modeling, where we use mathematics to represent, simulate, and understand randomness and uncertainty. We then venture into the world of machine learning and neural networks, where computers learn from data and make intelligent decisions. Game theory takes us on a journey of strategic interactions, helping us predict outcomes based on the decisions of others. Meanwhile, computer vision and natural language processing open up new avenues for machines to interpret and understand our world, just as humans do. The intricacies of linear modeling allow us to predict outcomes and trends, while multivariate statistics handles the complexity of multiple variables at once. These advanced topics pave the way to the cutting-edge field of next-generation data science, where data-driven decision-making is pushed to new frontiers. As we've seen, data science is an ever-evolving field, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, what have we learned throughout this journey? We've explored the foundations of data science, from probability and statistics to mathematical methods. We delved into practical applications like computational modeling and data presentation. We also touched on advanced topics like machine learning, neural networks, and next-generation data science. These areas form the comprehensive landscape of data science education, each vital in its own right. Remember, the world of data science is vast and ever-changing, making it an exciting field to dive into, and who knows, you might be the next big thing in data science.